Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. It will be really simple and easy. Now if I open up the Messenger application in my mobile, now let's say you want to send the message to a specific person and they are just not ever sending. There are three different steps that we can go through to make sure that those are working and all your messages can be sent out. Let's hop out of here and let's open up our any browser, and we just want to do a quick speed test. So type in speed test, then tap on this run speed test. If this is anything faster than say 5 or 10 MB per second, your internet is plenty fast enough to be able to send these messages, and that's not the issue. If you find that your internet is really slow, one of the things that you can do is you can toggle off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. By toggling off, that helps to speed up your internet sometimes if your cellular data is faster than Wi-Fi. So you might want to switch between Wi-Fi and cell data to see which one is faster. Now the second step that we'll do, that we have confirmed that your internet is not the issue, we will confirm that Facebook Messenger is not actually down. So let's go on here and type in, you have to type it is Facebook Messenger down. So we can go to down detector here and we want to check. So we can see here there is no sudden spike in Facebook Messenger reporting, so we know that Facebook Messenger isn't really down. If you see this huge spike is reporting that Messenger is down, then that's likely the reason why your messages are not sending. Now the third and the final step is we can open up our settings here. Scroll down a bit and tap on this apps, then go for this manage apps. So what this will do, it will bring up a list of all the various apps that I have on my phone. I am going for this Messenger, tap on it. Now you have to tap on this for stop, tap on this OK, and you have to reinstall the app, and this will clear out any of the core system files of Facebook Messenger. It doesn't delete our messages or anything, but it helps us kind of refresh it if there is a bug within the app itself. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.